The purpose of this exercise is first to reproduce the defect that is described here. And after, go to Sources tab and find login ? Error file there, where you can try to find a place connected with this error. And think why this message doesn't close. Just think.
As you can see, we reproduce the error in both ways.
Mm-hmm.
So if we put invalid credential, it's show us this message, and this button is not working. So we expect the code also in the sources and also in the elements, and we find out that this line has an error.
Okay, good.
And after that, I will show you some magic.
Okay.
So we do
Wow,
it.
you found the reason.
Something's happening. And after that, we can close it.
Yeah.
What exactly I did, I don't know.
Just using ready JavaScript code and linking specific button close class from Bootstrap.
Okay.
It's working correctly.
Yes, yes. Actually, the Bootstrap is the thing that is guilty for the bug. It is like a set of bricks with widely used, with often used components. And this Bootstrap is really guilty for this error because there are different versions of that Bootstrap library. And this developer just changed the version that is used, but he didn't change the realization here. And that's why this button was not clicked. And that's why you should add this BS dismiss for the newest version of the library that is really used.